you know, so remember you in a dolly with the whole eye shape. Look the man. Good God. My sister, you did it even you're there, you're still a rare.
I did it myself right now. This is the ear tie. This is the baddest thing for the market right now.
That.
You just stand around your ear like it's a spoon, you just stand around your ear.
Figure that.
Yeah.
Yeah, boys. Just I realize here, you know. No joke, you're good though.
Yeah,
which part on this inside there? Who is the spokesperson? That's what I'm not feature, you're right. Me I go right round. Which part you did there?
Right there, somebody did there.
Yeah, man, me talk to the lady, me never see her when in the day, man.
Natural skincare.
Oh, we asked her, me think it was one business.
I come and make you help me to show the things them.
Jesus, me like your motivation. That is how you do it. Oh, you mean a fear product, you have to stand by it. You understand? Have a night. Hold on, let me go over here, sir. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you're trouble with them attention. First, you have the beautiful sister on the side of you. Don't say me I come over here. Are your mother? You mean? But me see, there's a chick not fly far from the block. You can't see what I go on. Mommy, where's your outside? Oh, my lady. She come right out though. Watch eyelash. Outside. Watch ear. Remember the eye. Are you broke out she or she broke out you? Are you husband? Yes. Are you in this? Boy, me tell you now. Hey!
This are it, good boy. This are it.
Yeah, big up somebody now, man.
You see a Sunfest one night.
Ah, figure that, man.
The original German Freddy's Caridonian.
Yeah.
Man, we've been doing this for years. From in the 80s.
That is, I'm still there.
I'm still here.
Yeah,
because I'm glad we are different.
Hey, so right now, the way things looking up, if you do it for so long, you know, by a quintin of them, or eat all the jerk pan, you know.
Let me now tell you, man. Ignite the flame and keep it blazing. You see a Cosmic represent for Jamaica walk by. Tune in. Subscribe and like.
Say something, man. Give me one eye tune, man.
The girl say she want real man. Fit happy make she balla. Jeez, I'm chopper Kyle. No, we don't want to do no
easy. Oh, easy, blessed and respect, you know what I mean? Big up to all my Jamaica walk by massive. You don't know. Yo, Denbigh 2025, we are here. Look good, no man, no joke, no doubt. Massive, a long time we don't see place look so full. Listen, last year we only could have do it for 1 day. You understand? So this year, 2025, Denbigh is up and running for 3 days. Yeah, make sure, yeah. 3 days. You understand? Today is actually the first day, which is the Friday. I'm going to tell us that the place festive. Food, juice, liquor, fried chicken, everything there. You understand? Tent on top of tent. A massive, we are in Maypen by the Denbigh Showground. Me just step on the local outskirt and remember me tell you, tent like wow. People are selling at them numbers, fruits, cane, everything you can think of, but not to mention plants. Yo, where's the line me tell? Man say lie me tell. But guess what? Plants galore. Your palm tree, every type of tree, fruit tree, grafted trees, every kind of trees you can get it at Denbigh 2025. Believe me, it's a beautiful weather. You know what I mean? As you can see from the sky. No rain now fall, so it's a beautiful day. I'm glad for that because usually on the first day rain always fall. Yo, we check the weather. No rain now fall for the weekend. Zine, so we don't have to fall. So anytime you see that video, just mark the day today, the Friday. So Denbigh's gonna be for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday will be the last day. So in this video, we just gonna walk through. We're gonna show you the vibe of Denbigh. We're gonna show you what it is like being here. So if you watch this today on the Friday or Friday night, please my beg you forward for the Saturday or the Sunday and enjoy the show. Buy from the locals them out at the front because guess what? You have a tent every single way out here. So buy your food, buy your juice, support everybody they are selling and do the hustle. But in that video, it's not a narrating thing. We just go walk through, showing you the exact vibe, what go on at Denbigh 2025 scene. So enough of the talking, we're going to walk through and we're going to have some fun. So here what? Please, my beg, if you watch right now, subscribe to the thing. Me I wait. Yeah, man, me I wait. Come in, man. Brownie, tell them so we are wait. Come in. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And please, my beg, like the video if you're not like the video yet. Me I wait. Before we run out, me I wait. So if you actually like the video, thank you so much. We super appreciate you. You know what I mean? Blessings and respect. So me could do it just like this time. And you ready? Me ready. So me could do it. Martin, walk through and we'll start right out on the outskirts. You don't know. The Denbigh show going in another direction there. And you get to know each other there. See new gas station there. When name Jam Gas. So you know exactly which part we're there. And we're going to kick it off like a ball. See, let's go. Good evening, good evening, good evening. So yeah, it's all about Denbigh. Martin, make a cross that so. What a vibe, what a energy. Me I tell you, say people like wow, so as you can see. A mad thing. Outside. Manners. Fruits, cane, everything. Coconut, banana. A mad shop. Man, I see one next general carry whole a country come a Clarendon. Cheese and peas, lime, orange, coconut, banana, everything like this from the outskirts, right out at the front. My godfather, blessings and respect, you hear that? Heart of love. Good evening, my church sister. Blessings. Yeah, fire there, and it's a vibe. Man, I saying, respect. See the liquor on top of liquor, them can't miss me. I make them know say them have to forward and buy them juice. Juice on top of juice, my general forward the whole bar. Yeah. Look there, man. Everything. Come and get your special. Everything there out here. What the man name? You can big up somebody? Why you big up somebody, you know, because God believe me, man. They are Denbigh, so that means it's a vibe and it's an energy, not true? Yeah, look good, no, man. What the man name? Make a turn on the talking device, yeah. Yeah, man. All this, man. Big up some people, man. Which part you part from?
I want to big up all of them, the Pen.
Yeah.
Clarendon. Yeah.
Martin.
Jamaica.
Which are you part from?
Yes, Clarendon.
Clarendon?
Yeah, man.
Heart of love, no man. See it, no man. Yeah. Married and thing?
Yeah, man.
Big up your wife, no man.
Big up wife, big up Winsome.
Miss Winsome?
And our children, them.
See
all
there?
6 children, them.
Big up, man. Heart of love, man. Take
Blessed
it easy.
love.
Respect, you hear that? Yeah. So, as a matter of fact, one question. So, with Denbigh, how it look this year? How it look on the first day?
Enough people, little money.
Enough people, little money.
Yeah, man.
So we have to try to encourage the people them to come out as to come by and have a nice time.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Shortly look how other money them and spend some money here so today though.
I hope so.
Big up and respect with teacher.
Right.
Yeah. Jamaica walk by, you know? Yes, sir. So with their Denbigh massive and it's a vibe and it's going great. So far, so good. Close. Yeah, man. Everywhere you look, you can tell, even out on the front, you will get plants. You can see pepper over there, so look like Scotch bonnet. Ties to the kids. There's so much things going on. Good evening, good evening. Me never see you know. Blessings, man. Yeah. So, blessings, man. Respect. Watch out. A loody a beat while jerk a jerk. Why not that? Pork? Jerk chicken. Why not this? Chicken again. A mad thing, man. Big up yourself and go and do it. See there? Loody game. Man, hold on. Let me see if I can catch it, sir. 2 dice, me see 6. I look, me bring in. You see how easy? Figure that. 1 Jamaica. You hear that? Big up and respect. Seal it. Respect. Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Yeah. No, man, see it, man. If you say anything where you want, say, man.
Ignite the flame and keep it blazing. You see a Cosmic represent for Jamaica walk by. Tune
Artist.
in. Subscribe and like.
Say something, man. Give me one I tune, man.
That girl say she want real man. Fit a be make she ball G's and chop a Kyle. No, we don't want to
easy. No, man, I hear song every day, man. Blessings, there is. All them can find you. All them can find you.
Link me up on TikTok, King Kazo. And you don't know, YouTube, Cosmic Music, KOZMIK Music. Subscribe. Jamaica walk by. Boom.
Hey, get that, they get all a free drop. Blessings, me. Yeah, but outside. Big up to the artists, them all over the globe, all over Jamaica. You don't know. Cosmic Music. You understand? A mad thing, man. Make we go through. Yeah, man, it's a different kind of vibe. It's a different energy out here. Good evening, good evening. Yeah, my teacher. Look good. Oh, my word. Blessed, blessed. Yeah. The thing I got hide down with yeah, the massive even mugs about everything there. How we are doing now? Straight hustling, juggle. Cheese and peas, popcorn, all of the good stuff. Oh my word. Soup, cheese and peace. Dolly, you know some remember you in a Dolly? With the whole eye shape. Look the man. Good God. Hold on there. And the ends right that's so. Oh, you bring it. You didn't tell me say you bring it bar. You bring it bar, man. Cheese and peas. And Guinea. Oh, where you find Guinea from? Yeah, man, I catch you, man. I hide the pretty face.
Red Bull, fly away.
Yeah, man. Every little
So you know, so who talk to me people, them come for rest a week, you know.
We have nuts.
Jesus Christ.
Every little thing.
Yeah, hey, a real spokesman, you know, touch me, no, man. That is it. Big up Jeffrey, no, man. Yeah, my darling friend. Big up yourself here. Art of love, no joke. Yeah, them be a vibe.
Make money every day, all the day.
Godfather, no, me heal him still, man, but then he heal me back, so we good. Big up yourself. Yeah. Massive. It's a vibe out here, nice. And things. That is sound, everything. It's a great vibe. Denbigh Showground 2025 after a great start. I like a place here. I like how the place here look. And everything. Fruit smoothie. From me I pass me I look on the place here. I say, I like how you so come out. You so yeah, man, I get all a beautiful smile. Are you wife? That is it, man. God bless you. God bless you, man. Touch, man. Are you me a touch, man? Cause when I find the nice sisters them like my own, we have to congratulate one another. We men don't like to give one another credit, you know. So we have to give ourselves credit, you understand? We can't make them win all the time. Not at all. All right, see the talker now tell me what's going on right here, so. And which of them can find all of them beautiful products, yeah? Even if a shop is nearby, you tell which have to find it.
Alright, so we have fruit smoothies selling right here.
Yeah.
For our base fruit, we have melon, banana, papaya, and pineapple. If you don't eat or necessarily like a fruit, you don't have to get it in there. You can customize your blend. You can get it how you like it, how you want it, up every time. So we are too smooth. We are right here at Denbigh Showground. So come on over, support us, and show some love.
That is it. So you're gonna be here all weekend?
All weekend.
Cheese and peas.
Yeah, at night and day.
Night and day.
Yeah.
Figure that.
Once you feel at on Thursday, come right up.
Right, yes, sir.
Right, yes.
And remember, we have a custom smoothie.
Yes.
Figure that.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I mean, this is Jamaica Walk By. Thank you for showcasing your business. And I mean, my teacher. Touch it, man. No joke, man. Trust me. The thing does catch me. So you know, say, yes, I sell off thing. You understand, massive. So if you're falling at the Denbigh, yes, for your blessings and respect. We say, Guinea. All right, then we're going to move on to you, but we finish up with that nice place here. Too smooth. You understand? Make sure so you check out the place here. You understand? No joke, no doubt. So today is a Friday, as me telling you, for Saturday and Sunday they're going to be here. So come and get your smoothie right as you can't miss them. On the switch out me I walk from, so make sure so they're there. Fire bun. What go on now? We say Guinea.
I Guinea for the people there, right? You know,
Cheese and peas. Me don't understand how you find Guinea so quick, you know.
Yes, man, taste one.
We say taste and buy. Jesus peace. Me taste and it's sweet. Them all see it. Lord have mercy. Massive. I could taste it because it's a taste and buy. Because we have video. Bad. All right. You're bad. This bad. Someone say fire. You're there. Yes, what you talk about? I ask you 2 questions. Which are you forward from?
Cross, you know.
Cross.
Clarendon, Maple.
So why you give me an artist vibe?
Artist vibes. You know, I mean, I'm not here still, you know.
Oh, you're artist?
Yeah, I'm say, worthy. Gas a goal, start the engine, start the lawnmower. Worthy. Gas a goal at the gas station. Because Lord Legend, Gretel and Bertie. Worthy. Shell, Texaco, Esso. At the gas station, we call Anna, Champi, Maxine, Christine, and Nelly. Worthy. Gas a goal. Worthy. At the gas station, we call Briggy, Rupi, and Daddy. Worthy, gas a goal, same gas hide the plane, fly the copter, same gas hide the copter, fly the plane, worthy, gas
pull up. Daddy, now I don't know. Wait, pull up.
Gas station,
pull up. You know, pull up. big up. What the man name again?
Naki Arrow.
Naki Arrow.
Arrow.
Big up yourself, but you have it in the way, say, yes, song that. Figure that. As an artist also.
Yes,
They say, them be nice.
Them be nice, for real.
Tell the people them to forward.
Yeah, I tell you, come with them because them is Showground every year and it's nice. I tell you, real Naki Arrow, I tell you, I'm big up everybody because you don't know I give up this time, you know.
Man,
Respect.
outside, see? Big up my teacher. Art of love, no joke, no. You see me? Big up.
I don't get more studio on my record, man.
Don't get more studio.
Yeah, move up record.
All right, big up. You need to big up to move up record.
Yes, sir.
You have to big them up in a man. Right, say big up, move up.
Yeah, big up. I'm big up Ralston from Glenmore Road. You know, studio, move up record. You know, Ralston are the owner, the boss, man. I mean, I tell you, Naki, you don't know me. Big up your sir, every time.
Man.
Every Showground.
Figure that. Big up myself, me artist. Go and do it, no jokes in. Naki Arrow. Man. Let's go. So massive, it's all about Denbigh Showground. And the vibe is right, the vibe is nice. Oh my word, one of the best places right now. We are going to go over there, big up to all the securities, them same way. So this is what you have gate 2A right here, so where, you know what I mean, this is persons who actually have them business. Mr. Demaya's Delight. Now man, me case and forward, we need to talk. That is it, man. So that's Demaya's Delight, and let's go by Demaya's Delight. Massive, we're outside. See, what? Guess up. Blouse and skirt. Let me see where my guard if you're fan in a road. Artist. We can't, we have to put you up, you know. Naki Arrow. Man, look at man, I guess it up, man. Where's the manually? Blouse and skirt. Big up here, my teacher. Go on, it. We are beat up today. Jerk pork, jerk chicken. Cheese and peas, smoke start chump like a muffler. Me I hope everybody sell off with that Denbigh. Hear that? Jamaica walk by, you understand? Figure that my teacher, go and do it. Blouse and skirt. Massive, see I have some of my YouTuber bridging them out here too, you know. God is good all the time, all the time. God is good, but no joke. That is it, but figure that, man. Cheese and peas, eat. Easy, we're outside. Listen me now, man. Tell the people them who you are and where you're forward from.
Yeah, man, forward from Portmore, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, my channel name Grace Walk Vlog TV. As I hear the name sound, we just walk by grace, start by grace, and give God all of the glory and praise.
Figure that.
Know? Yeah, man, so we big up, you know, all of the YouTubers them out there we are doing. Jamaica walk by, big up yourself, you're one of the biggest inspiration. Yeah.
Art I love,
Yeah,
man.
man, you know, we want big up Ever Blessed over there, so CM Spade.
See ya?
CM
See ya?
Spade. And we want big up Countryside TV. Yeah, man, you know, sir. Unity is strength. Unity is strength. You know?
that.
I'm glad for the strength and the unity today. That is the greatest.
Big up and respect. You hear that? Massive on the year, make sure you go over to him channel and subscribe. You know what I mean? I'll see a link in the description so you can jump over there, so subscribe and share the energy over here. So I don't know Countryside TV,
Yeah,
but the
man,
bad
bless
boy
up
say,
the
we
channel,
can pass it, we do
I
it.
don't know now Countryside TV, no, man. Yeah, man. Jamaica walk by is an inspiration to me to see him here.
Man.
Watch almost every video where Jamaica walk by upload, me I tell you.
Respect,
then I comment
dog.
section, me active see him here. Yeah, man, Countryside TV. Basically, me showcase things we are going on the countryside. We do
Yeah.
a bit of charity when
You
I
ain't
can
say
do
about
it.
Countryside. When
Yeah,
I say,
man.
you not be specific. Tell them which one they are called country, don't make them take
Send
care.
catching, man.
Send
Sky is still, man.
He say he can't send catching country, you know.
Yeah,
All right. Me not say last time you see so they cost me.
Send catching, yeah. That is
Yeah.
it, man.
No
Yeah, man.
joke.
So and just big up Jamaica walk by every time and just like, share and subscribe and tell a friend to do the right thing.
Yeah, tell them to forward over your channel
And
to
forward
man.
over Countryside TV.
Yes,
They don't
man.
know.
And guess what?
Yeah, man.
Big up Jamaica in 10.
Oh, wifey.
Big up
Cheese
Jamaica
and
in
peas.
10.
Jamaica
That's
in
it,
10, that's my. Hey, she
And
there
big
to
up
you know.
Ever Blessed Travel.
Soon see
Same
ya.
way.
Yeah, get big up to you now, man. You
Ever
not take
Blessed.
it.
Yeah, man.
Make him talk, make you hear what I say.
General, man.
Tell all the people them what go
Yeah,
on.
my people, you see, as I see this.
Watch your man like get up from. Me don't know, you know. Me don't know what kind of trouble. Remember, if you have no lady there, you have them all see it. Because me not delete nothing.
Me not afraid of nothing. To make a walk by.
Yeah.
I hear the two youngsters before say, you are the inspiration.
Boy, yo.
And all of that. So I see him thing, I see him love him, I say, for the past 4 to 5 years I've been following this Walkman here.
Ah,
Walk by,
love.
Chacha, I tell you, all the while I wonder where you get strength them from.
We are doing it, man.
So you walk with people. So when you see me walk the street, see
Yeah.
the inspirator.
That is it. We there are doing it. The whole of Jamaica feel it.
Yeah. And me
Don't
and
it?
my slang is we are take on the street like how we take on the white line.
That is it, man.
Jamaica
Cool.
walk by. Me
Figure
proud
that.
of what me I do.
Oh, you mean? You
So
feel good?
So for the persons who don't proud of what me I do, sorry for no.
Yeah. Because you like it.
Yeah.
Figure that.
That's it. Some people check out our best travels. Big up Jamaica walk by every day. No
Figure
joke.
that.
And next big up, you know, big up, bless up Jess.
Bless
yeah,
up
man.
Jess.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, big up bless up Jess.
Big
No
up,
joke.
bless up Jess.
My
So
friend
man,
that.
say, yeah, man.
Ah,
Can't
hello.
forget that content they want to go up. Blue
Blue Mountain.
Yeah, man. Me I tell you what
Why?
you can
Now
start
go
to
back.
finish.
Now go back.
It's not that easy,
No,
but
sir.
when you do it.
Yeah, man. One
That is
time.
it, man. Big up.
Yeah. No, you know, but we'll tell you, have got to. Oh, yes. You're right. So, bless up, Jess. I don't know. Countryside TV, big up and respect. We there, we are walk, we are going to enjoy ourselves. As Deaya, Delight, go and sell out the best ice cream in Jamaica. You understand? And if you don't know, the best ice cream in Jamaica right now, Demaya's Delight, you get used to it, you remember, you hear about from Jamaica walk by himself. You understand? The man have the best ice cream in Jamaica right now. No joke, no doubt. You understand? No milk powder. Everything all natural, all nice and juicy. You understand? To taste is to buy it. And to repeat, you're buying. You understand, as you can see? You have from popsicle, milkshake, have some cakes and things right here. And we're going to talk to Mr. Demaya's Delight himself. You understand? What you talk about Mr. Demaya's Delight, you otherwise called. You don't know. Big up me general, man. You do it. Me proud of you, you see.
Yes, man.
I don't know you find them product, your boy. You know you're bad like tongue.
All inspiration is from God through my wife. You understand? She was
That
the one
is
who decided, listen, we want to go into this. And I saw that it was wonderful. And I said, oh, let's do this. And you know, after years of making various mistakes, we finally got it. I know, you know, Jamaica can see Deaya's Delight having one of the best ice cream in Jamaica. They say it's better than the one up there. All right, there's no direct water in it and there's no milk powder. You know, when we eat our ice cream, there are some side effects. Love, joy, and peace. All right?
I not say happiness.
And happiness. And also, you can suffer from another side effect. And that side effect is addiction. Because when you taste this quality, you won't want to stop. Our ice cream have 3 phases, right? The first thing, you have to believe it.
Yeah.
I know all of them believe now. Right? And then you have to taste it. And after you taste it, you have to live it and experience Deaya's Delight. You understand?
She's a
big up Jamaica walk by for passing through. Always big up Deaya's Delight. He knows that we have the quality product in Jamaica. And NT is here with his fellow youth.
Remember, say me have to drive out of my yard, come visit which one the ice cream there just because me want it and me crave it, you know.
Yes.
You understand? So that is something where you have to talk about. You understand? Today them they are Denbigh and it's all about love, joy and happiness in Deaya's Delight when it comes down to food. And I can't leave out addiction.
Yes.
You understand? The addiction part of it.
100% fruit sickles, all natural.
All natural fruit sickles.
Whatever
good.
fruit you're talking about, whether it's pine, guava.
Put one of them in my hand and make them see what's going on. Look, fruit sickles. These are all fruit sickles, natural fruit sickles. Soursop we have over here, so. And them are label mango, this bossy.
Yes, man.
You understand? You see all this here? Oh my God, the green pop, bad. My daughter favorite one this. So, I'm not going to say I try all of them. I eat all of them.
Cha-cha.
You understand? I talk both when it comes down to the product here. You understand?
No joke,
man. No, man. Listen me, man.
You can't make up that.
Listen me. Me drive, go all about the place and get this a sit here, man. Deaya's Delight. You see all the fruit sickle and the parfait. The fruit parfait.
The one here is the parfait.
That is the parfait. Catch it good. The fruit parfait. Bossy.
Come back, we have parfait in the fridge.
That is it. So, Dennis, go and do it. Go and get it right. Keep the thing going. So massive. Tell them your Instagram and all in places where them can find you.
Yes, man. You can
and everything.
Find us on Instagram, Deaya's Delight. That is DEMOYAH. Delight. JA. You can also call us on 371-5565 or 288-4995. You can get our products at some places. Omar Roti, that is mineralized. in Clarendon.
Yes,
Just as you
man.
come off the highway, you can get our ice cream there, our food parfait. We have Jam Gas, that is in Clarendon, right beside Maitland Hospital. You can get our food parfait there. You can call us with a birthday, weddings, party. We do events like these. We're just here to just promote Jamaica. We're doing a good work. We have gone through the various legal framework already. JBDC, Bureau of Standards. We're putting things together so we can be out there in the market, in the supermarket, on shelf.
That is it.
Understand? Yes, man. And who we have here? We have
Everblessed Travel.
Yes, I want to big up Everblessed Travels. He's here supporting the Moyers Delight, a good friend of Jamaica walk by.
Yes, and we have a countryside there.
Grace Walk Flag TV.
Yes, Grace.
Yes, man.
Grace Walk Flag TV.
Flag TV.
Walk by Grace and talk by Grace.
That's a wonderful name. And he's here supporting the Moyers Delight, supporting Jamaica walk by. Big up and continue to do what you're doing. Where's the other team member?
Oh, we not say, but this is another YouTuber to Jamaica Things TV. Big up and respect, man. That is it, man. Look like him just reach and go and cool off.
Yeah.
But Dennis,
Yes,
take
man.
it easy. Continue to do it massive. Remember, him stand by the product like how me stand by it. You understand? No joke, no doubt. The Mayas, they like get used to it. And if you never know, now you know.
Yes, man.
Heart I love
Jamaica
Dennis.
walk by.
Respect, man.
Outside.
Them Maya's delight. So them they're right on the outskirt right now. See, they have gate 2 and they are right across the road from gate 2. And they will be here all weekend. I can pass, man. My camera like beautiful people, you know. Yes, man. No joke, no doubt. The outfit bad. Yeah, man. All right. So Dennis, take it easy. And that's how we so far again. Because me there the family. I know we belly are going to run red. Easy. So yeah, my teacher. Big up and respect, man. We there are going easy, you know what I mean?
Jamaican Thing TV, man. You know what thing though? It's a Jamaican Thing TV there, you know, guys. You know, the Denbigh Showground, you know, so the police them there with them excitement and
Always.
police them up there, though. I want to see them keep the peace, you know?
Big up that. Tell them what you have to find and all of that, man.
Big up Jamaica walk by. You see me? Big up Jamaica walk by. I don't know. I want to Jamaican YouTuber, them want to do it, you know, guys.
I do it.
And this it's a Jamaican Thing TV. You don't know YouTube thing there, no, man. We are doing it, you know, guys, as a Jamaican YouTuber. I don't know if they ever bless there.
Countryside gone over there, so.
TV there. Only for YouTube there. And they are doing it, you know, guys.
So massive, me ask you to go over to him channel. I see him link in the description, you know what I mean? So you go over there and subscribe to him channel. Art I Love Me Teacher. Go and do it. I don't know, me just reach. So me I go walk out the whole like place like I'm here. Then be here right forward. Yeah, because I love why everything, you know, and I come try. Yeah, then be here right forward. So we're going by that side because down the stairs we try the tickets. I'm showing the chat and I get to buy the ticket and go inside. I have my local one ticket in my pocket and then look at something there. So I'm going to go and do it with Deaya. You understand? Big up, you know. Grace Walk Vlog TV. Figure that. I don't know it's a Jamaican Thing TV. Me don't know him. The whole town don't know him. Everblessed Travels. Go and do it, don't joke, don't. Figure that? I mean, we're so forward. So massive, it's a vibe, it's a good energy so far out here by Denbigh. And we just go and go through. Good evening, mommy. Blessed, yeah, fire, manners. So, yeah, well, and see all them things you sell and all them things. There are a bunch of things going on all there. So look good now, man. Figured that. All right, massive. So, we're actually still on the outskirts. We're not reaching at the venue yet. So, it's going to be a little bit different now because we are going to just walk through. We are showing the vibe down by Denbigh. So, make we just have a nice energy, you see me? Let's go. Look good. So this is the main entrance. This is the main entrance. Bad, you're bad. Wall, one bad sicky. Easy. Alright, so if you're gonna come and you see this on the Friday and you purchase the tickets at this side. So you will see the bus. You're gonna see the bus right as you purchase your tickets right here. See the tickets sold right here at the bus. So you can't miss it. So me have my ticket, I'm gonna show them the ticket look like if me can find it. Oh, see it here. And so this ticket for adult is $1,500 in. Let me make sure I see it right. So adult $1,500 and this lasts 1 day in. So buy a ticket at the bus and you get one like this and you're going to see what happens because we are going right now. Alright, let's do this. Fire! And where's the forward? Alright, so fire over here start shout me. Jaja no. So may I get a free drop? Are you this? Yeah, me teacher. Tell what I talk phone and you can talk to me.
Everywhere you see me.
Yeah, everywhere.
Anywhere you go,
Me think I'm me alone out here like come in the street. Are you there as a two man? Jeez, oh you mean no man? You this?
Yeah.
How that beautiful lady there?
You know, says a family member, but just put her in to represent the works where we deal with the kind of picture frame that matches the girl.
Mad. That is it. And are you build them thing here?
Yes, man, all of them things.
Look like you build them thing out of matches stick.
Yes, man, a matches stick right there, man.
Figure that, me teacher.
Mother's Day thing there, Mother's Day thing, happy Mother's Day. Way.
Mad.
Yeah, man.
And you have a chain them out here, bead chain them and things same speed. Waist bead them.
Yeah, man.
Mad. What the man name? Tell them who no know.
Yeah, man, a Saxa, man.
Saxa.
Yeah,
Saxa,
man,
you call like your artist differently, you know.
Yeah, my brother artist, you know, can check him out to Jarian.
Jarian.
Yeah.
Figure that. Oh, you mean
man.
Jarian?
Yeah, Bloody City there. If you type in, I can find him.
Find him.
Yeah,
Jarian.
Bloody City, yeah.
That is it.
Yeah, man,
Go and do it in my boss. Take it easy, man. Heart, I love you. That. You know me, I go show them what I go on over there.
Oh, gosh, man.
Cheese and peace, man. How you mean, man? So massive. You are there for the whole weekend?
Yeah, me I want there tomorrow and next day.
All right, see there. So, him the right pan out in front of us. It look like he move around still, but from the see him, gonna support the thing. You understand?
All right, that's what I will have for 3 days.
For 3 days.
3 days, yeah.
3 days, yeah. Today first, you don't know, tomorrow, Saturday, and then Sunday.
Yeah, so I will talk.
All right, big up and respect, man. Heart, I love you, hear that.
Ring them, everything, nick them white, ring them.
What you ring them?
Yes, man, nick them white, ring them, everything, man.
Jaja, no. Big, you're big. Big, let me see this.
Make people see things, my brother. So here I go. In a real life.
Come on.
Your thing go worldwide.
Big, you're big.
Your thing will stop yourself.
See it there?
Your thing
there.
will stop yourself with that. I don't know your things to try this one.
Yeah, do it.
Expose the thing them from the sea.
Cheese and peace, man. Even the earring them.
Yes, man. Only for earring and thing, man.
Look there, on the ring them. And are you make them thing here?
Everything we say by my hand, brother. No go around, come round. Yeah, they will tell us, I made design them thing, I made them thing. I'm hearing everything. Yeah.
Well, art, I love my teacher, trust me. So, here, you know me, I'm going to make you do? You have a number where you can give out that people can, when they forward, they can give you one shout and get 2 things off of you. I go?
I don't know, 1876 or 995 3060.
And you get you.
Yeah.
So then forward and them just say, they just give you a call.
Link me, you know, so I get.
That is it. Big up and respect.
Yeah,
you hear that, bro?
Work, you know.
You do what?
We do wicker work to like
what that mean?
Chair. You don't know wicker. Them like you can make patio set and them thing they wear.
Oh!
So like a whisk type of thing.
Oh, I get you like them type of chair there and them type.
Yeah.
Big up and respect, man. Art, I love. Here, go and do it. Here, fire. Respect. Easy. So massive, you don't know. I just see General and have him number. If you forward and give him a support, man, make a one call and just make him know, say, yeah, buy out one thing or fire, man. Support the movement because then they are us up on the ground. Yeah, fire. See? Oh, no, man, I'm good, man. So. Yeah, see, it's a good evening, good afternoon. Thank you. I say, tear off the piece off of that and away that, you see it. And with up on the inside. No joke, no doubt, massive. Yeah, so as you step inside, this is what you see, this is what greet you. And ting, this is the entrance we take. All right, so look over here on my left a little bit and we just walk through. So we have, these look like orange, mangoes. We see palm here. We see guava too. And roses too as well. Wow.
You don't have any?
Thank you, sis. Why, see him with? Yeah. So this is immediately as you come inside. Everybody seems to stack up. Nice. You understand? Cherry tree. Loads. Plants galore. You have even hot pepper right so. Yeah. Nicely done. I think this is the best organized I've seen it so far. All my ears have come into Denbigh Showground. You understand? I like how them utilize this area. This look like a goody we call this. I don't know what that. If I know it, swear. Loads of mango tree there too. Yeah. Well organized too as well. You understand? Petal Allen. And my name say that, you know. You charge me? Are you name Miss Petal? And you have my last name, that's why I'm going to stop and talk to you. I say from Miss Petal Allen, I'm going to stop and talk, you know. Okay, tell me a little bit as to what go on over here and what you have for all of the massive, them we are going to see this.
This is stall number 2 at Denbigh. We have a lot of exotic fruits.
Yeah.
So, fruits like jabaticaba, abiu, we have grapes, and we have Fiji longhorn, we have longhorn, purple sweet sop, purple sour sop, purple passion. We have miracle fruit, Jamaican cherry, we have bay tree, pimento, cinnamon, nutmeg.
Wow.
So, rollinia, abiu, a lot of the wax apple, a lot of the exotic fruit trees. So for
when I say exotic, you know, I'm going to make them know, most of these fruits that she's naming is not the typical ones that we grow up on. These are some other fruits, or we call them foreign fruits. You understand? And it's great to see them in Jamaica.
And it's not necessarily foreign fruits, you know, they're grown right here in Jamaica. I can be contacted at 876-791-4358. I'm in Clarendon.
Clarendon, your base?
I'm based in Clarendon, Osborne store.
That is it, man.
Yes.
I love what I'm seeing. Very, very organized.
That number again, 876-791-4358.
So massive, you can call her, place an order, make a visit. As you can see, her stuff them really green and fresh. You can see a real organic fertilizers. Them do them something and look good, no man. You see all yellow raspberry over here. Wow, bay tree, Jamaican cherry tree, apple tree over there. So she also have the miracle fruit. This is the one she was talking about, the miracle fruit. Beautiful. All right, Art of Love, continue doing the great work. All right, okay. Miss Allen, me and your family now, so I call her Miss Auntie Allen. That is it. So you can't miss her. It's number 2. As you step in from the main gate and you turn left, you will find this place right here. Nice. you're gonna see it on my channel, Jamaica Walk By. You can subscribe now if you have service. It's called Jamaica Walk By. Write it down. You'll be seeing this one tonight. Jamaica Walk By. And we have Miss Sandra Deaya, Weatherbird. Yeah. Sometimes again. Somebody will just watch you. Jamaica Walk By, you got it? Alright, nice. On YouTube. Beautiful. Very, very organized this year. Loads more of vendors, as you can see. I've never seen it this big. On this side never seems to have so much people and businesses or greenhouse. Usually on this side used to be the most empty. Now, if this side is so full, that means the rest of the venue pack. Why people them are turn the vegetation side of Jamaica up, brother. Them are turning up. Okay, man. And them side are full up this year. Loads of stall and business. Love it. Nice. Miss Tommy and Brown. Good evening, good evening. Nice. I'm massive. I'm not have to follow out. So you're gonna see this video tonight. So make sure say by the Saturday and the Sunday, you know, Deaya Denbigh, get to know nice fresh plants and all of the good stuff. This person look like they're selling even. This look like let me see. Patio style.
Patio style, 800.
Oh, 800 a bag.
Yeah. We have decorated stones.
Decorated stones too as well. Man. All right, Mr. Who may I talk to you? So since you tell me who you talk to.
I'm Fluffy Green Plant Nursery, the boss for Fluffy Green Plant Nursery. And we're a one-stop shop. And we're below every competitors in pricing.
Wow.
We have planned from $500 up.
And this is your sign up
yeah,
here?
Man, we're from Stony, the Stony Puppet Green Plant Nursery. And we have everything in stock, plants, stone, we have fertilizers, we have taxi service free of cost.
Wow.
Right. We have hanging plants, potted plants, and all of those. So just come and look for Fluffy.
And you said this is only $800 per bag?
Right, $800 and the stone is what.
And you have the stones as well?
Right.
Nice.
We have plants from $500 up.
Beautiful, my brother.
Right.
Blessings and respect. You hear that? And you on Instagram too as well?
Yeah, all over, TikTok all over.
That is it. At the same name?
Same name, Fluffy. And the type in Fluffy thing come up.
Big up and respect, man. Take it easy and respect here. This is Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, man. Yeah, respect. Yeah, man. Yo, massive food like, whoa. Mangoes, ripe banana. Almighty. I've never seen this side, this pot before, and I've been here for years. And it's the first I'm seeing this side looking like this. So much farmers out and garden personnel. I wish we could talk to everybody, but it is not possible at all. So I just walk through. It's just a walk through to show you what is happening here at Denbigh so I can forward out. Look at this one. Whoa, on them palm tree. These are my favorite cinnamon. Palm trees. Yeah, man. No joke. Yeah, man. Beautiful. See how I'm parrot over there, so. Mighty. Big bird.
Good.
That is it. Big up my teacher. Is a pet shop you have?
I run a mobile petting zoo.
Oh, mobile petting zoo. Right on the other side.
And at the kids' village.
Oh, all right. Then I know exactly which part that they do.
Eastern Exotic Pets.
Eastern Exotic Pets.
Yeah.
Big up and respect, man. What part name?
Insta, Facebook,
Instagram, Facebook. Oh, see him just, yeah, watch it, 'cause I don't know where he go.
Manny, why did you do that?
Manny, show himself. Manny, big up himself. Yeah. Yeah, Manny just wait. Alright, so. Yeah, man. Oh, those are beautiful over there. Alright, man. Alright, massive. I'm going to say we are walk through. We are showing exactly what is going on here. You know what I mean? See a G here with all the snake. Me not really work with the snake. Trust me. Jaja know. Denbigh Showground this year is a hit. I definitely can tell you that. I love the look for this year. Hold on, the massive. Me have to turn back a little bit over here, sir, 'cause these are beautiful. Look at these. These are the first of its kind that me see down here so far. Wow. Blessed, blessed, respect. These are super beautiful. Them may really catch anybody's eyes. Let me see. Randy's Plants World. You understand? Definitely. This is a number 2 as well. You can call and think. Even credit card, debit card accepted. And there. Family not there for the whole weekend. By the grace of, I best start that here, I best answer I could get. By the grace of God, He will be here. That is it, but big up and respect. Like what I see so far, so we just showcase this Jamaica walk by. Yeah, man, figure that. Blessings and respect, you hear that? Randy's Plants World, you hear? No joke. So it's a good look, massive. We're outside, we're going. So Denbigh definitely is bigger and better this year. No joke, no doubt, and we can't go around that. Try deck it here. Yes, man. So massive, if you're still watching, please, I'm asking you to subscribe. Don't just subscribe, please like the video as well. Even pots. These are like clay pots as well. Wow. Alright, so we are right where we started. Nice. So clearly there's a plant for everyone. Small type, no matter the type or the size of plants you want, there's definitely something that you can get down by the Denbigh Agricultural Show. I'm telling you, today's Friday, so by you seeing this video, you still have Saturday and you will have Sunday to come and get your plants or your fruits. Yeah. Massive event. So I try my best to just walk through, to just show a vibe. Actually, I move slower than I wanted to, but I open the and complain. It's a good vibe, and we have to do it the right way. You see me? Beautiful. What is over there? Nice. Let me see if I can catch this a little bit.
Those who are passing through, thank you very much. Thank you.
Nice. It's nice too as well. Mad. So, let me see what is over on this side. Let's go. So, we are by, how do you pronounce this now? Isratek. This looks like Isratek if I can pronounce it the right way. Wanna help me, tell me if I do it right. Alright. If not, open for corrections. Mad. So this looks like a hydro farm. Big up, respect.
Alright.
Definitely a hydro farm, as you can see. Well set, well organized, no joke. Man, Jamaica walk by, you know? Yeah, man, big up, respect. This is definitely a hydro farm. Beautiful setup. Nice. Over here. Yeah, man. Beautiful. This it's like a company. They do all the things for. Comes down to farming. You see even motors and stuff themselves, power wash, pumps, hose, all sorts of material to do the farming aspect of whole world. So as I say, agriculture, waterworks, energy and chemicals. So it seems like these are the 4 fields where they're mostly in. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. Very beautiful, very nice setup too as well. What do you mean? All right, we're moving.
The rain is not getting more in it. The sun is getting more.
The generator over there, so. All right, let's go, let's go. All right, massive. So, we're just leaving this side. Now we're gonna try to speed it up a little bit so we can spend less time at some of these places. You see me? Still Isratech, chainsaw. Look at them and do some demonstration too as well. A mad thing. Also, lawnmowers, you name it. All right, we're moving. You know, sometimes you have to move from the nice because God knows. I hope so we don't get no copyright today because I want to have a smooth flowing video. Let's take a look in the St. Catherine Pavilion. Say that again? No, you're actually not live, you know. Yeah. All right then, mad. Right, good afternoon, good afternoon. You have your business inside there? Let me see. Oh, Cannabis. Just I realize you're here, you know. No joke, you're good though. Which part on a place inside there? Yeah, man. Tell us a little bit about the product before me even go there.
Okay. So Cannabis 876 is a cannabis company. We infuse the oils of cannabis into a whole heap of products like rum cream, wines, soaps, oils for your skin, oils for your hair, oils for treating pain externally and internally, and a whole heap of other things. We have gummy bears, peanut brittles, we have chocolate. All of this is infused with ganja. So yeah, we did on your Denbigh today, tomorrow, and
Sunday.
Sunday, yes.
Take
First, second,
that.
and third, yeah.
Blessings and respect. Hear that? Take it easy, man. Art, I love. Big up me General Cannabis. You understand them inside. The last time YouTube troubled me to showcase them products, so I just make sure talk this time and think. Who we have inside here now? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Beautiful, beautiful. See me teacher. MCM1 live. All is well, my teacher. Mad respect, you know what I mean? I just started this history a while ago. You know how them stay with me when it comes down to them thing about we're going to talk in a code to them now. So we're learning, right? So we know the words them what we know to say. You understand? But our Jamaicans are going to know what they talk about and make you know exactly what's what.
Alright, welcome. Cannabis 876.
Yeah.
Jamaica's premier company, you understand?
Yeah,
we
man.
specialize in the good herbal stuff for good
Right.
your skin.
So if you want to say it's a Sensemania.
Sensemania.
Yeah.
That is it. Sensemania is a strain that originates in Jamaica too. You
Right.
understand? So that is something where synonymous with Jamaica. You
Yeah.
understand? Jamaica land race that. But we have roots wine, tonic wine.
Roots wine.
We have the new flavor, pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice.
This is the rum cream edition. So you don't want certain
tried that one the last year, I tell her, say, bossy, my friend. Yeah, man, nice,
Right now,
smooth.
my favorite because 15 minutes flight taker.
15 minutes.
15 minutes on the flight taker.
Level.
Not that time, but I just get up the man. Sit for a rum thing.
Altitude.
Altitude. Okay.
Big up the man. Yeah, so massive. This generally is Cannabis. You understand? No joke, no doubt. All are doing nice, good sense and meaning. Yeah. Trees, products and all them things. We have to talk. We not call certain name because we don't want to attack with. You understand? Also the infused candles. You know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. Alright, man. I soap this stuff. Oh my word. I think it's the first for the soap. You understand? So if him says soap, you know where you go. Soap outside, infused again. But like the look of it, look like some can eat.
Yo,
yeah.
people care with that.
Why yours smell nice? Oh gosh, man.
But this no that kind of problem with this. This is with remineralizing
Toothpaste.
toothpaste.
Oh
so
my word.
Inflamed gum,
Yeah.
it will deal with the
Properly.
bentonite clay, deal with bacteria, baking soda, deal with smell.
Yeah.
You understand? Sea salt also help with gum sensitivity.
Mad. I mean like last year, it come like every single year you actually turn up the game a little bit. You understand? Which is great. So we say you're growing, and you're being there, right? Yeah, no, boss. So tell them how to find up on the Instagram and all of the platforms there.
So the Instagram is Cannabis876. CANNABUZZ876. Right? So 2 and 3 there.
Can't miss it.
The WhatsApp is 876-389-1109.
Figure that. Big up and respect my teacher. No joke, no doubt. See? I'm a general man. We not pass him no way. You understand? Him the right beside that nice, beautiful sister over here so too as well. Where's am I this? Lord Jesus, man. You man we have to make sure that no son of something to eat, you know. Lord, it smell nice. Oh guys, so big up to Cannabis, you know what I mean? On behalf of me get a nice product. Art, I love and respect. Every single year me get something on behalf of the host. We gonna test. Good evening, good afternoon. I see you working those nice, beautiful hands there, doing some nice crafted thing. I just want you to tell me a little bit on what you're doing and how we can find you and you know what you're really doing here today.
Alright, so the business is Envious Designs, Crochet and Accessories. We're located in Gagger Park, that's in Portmore, 25 Main Street, Gagger Park. We specialize in swimwear, as you can see, and hats and scrunchies, but that's not what we're limited to. We have a wide variety. Once they say crochet, you can live.
Are you that?
Right.
So you do them yourself, because my sister, you did it, even you're there, you're still at work.
I did them myself right now. This is the ear tie. This is the baddest thing for the market right now.
That.
You just stand around the ear, like it's a scrunchie, you just stand around the ear.
Figure that.
Yeah. So
Look good.
This is what the people have liked so far.
And this is your card, right?
Yeah, you find us on Instagram at BThenby, BTHEENBI. So I will find us on TikTok at NVIUSDESYNZ.
That's a code.
Yeah.
Continue doing what you're doing. Art, I love
big
it.
up
Jamaica
yourself.
Walk By, so please subscribe to the channel.
no
You'll be
problem.
seeing this tonight, all right?
Alright, Jamaica Walk By.
Yeah, Jamaica Walk By.
Alright.
Yeah, man, tonight people are going to see
Right
it.
now, me go look.
Yeah, go look for it now.
Remember, people, check out Jamaica Walk By so you can find Envious Designs, right?
Easy. Big up and respect, my friend. Art, I love. So massive, it's a great vibe, it's a great start with Deaya. There's so much persons here that I wish we could have taught to every single person. But I don't know as we go through, we are going to just make we catch a few things. Blessings in general, big up and respect as we can get a look of browse through. I like how you design the place, man. I like how you coffee them just dead and just, you know what I mean? Over here so just look rich. The quality just look away. Blessings, hear that? No joke, man. Yeah, it's a good vibe, it's a good vibe. Home economics, history of the West Indies, pumpkin and all the good stuff. Good afternoon, blessings, blessings. Yeah, no joke. We're just browsing, you know what I mean? Home economics over here. What a lovely presentation, right? Also too. Almighty. I wonder who took the time out to do this one. Oh my word. And yeah, I realize that's how I draw bricks. Yeah, man. This is beautiful. So this is like a fruit decoration thing, well put together. Look like it takes some time to. So yeah, man. Whoa, yo, look at this one. Super beautiful. How would do this, man? If you can't point me in that direction, how would do it? Are you do this? Are you do this, Joe? Listen, man, hold the talker phone. Talk to me a little bit, man. Yeah, man, you have to tell me something and tell me like how long this took and what the inspiration after doing. Hold up on the talker phone. I love it. You understand? Oh, guys, just that you can't go move just and stay just like that. You know, hold the talker phone and tell me what go on. She said, oh my word. All right. So I'm just going to ask you a few questions. How long does this take to do?
It took me, what, 9 hours?
9 hours?
Yeah.
I think you're going to send me a few days.
No.
Judge, I know massive. Look at this. Super beautiful. Oh my word. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is RADA people, land and opportunity. Oh my word. So, oh, I'm lost for words. So, what is, Missy, oh. All right, sir. All right. So, we have, all right, Missy red peas, round red, Missy corn, and Missy, what are peas the name again? Black eye. Black bean. This is beautiful. This is something where just look expensive. The new face of food. Big up and respect and take it easy. Your elbow bounce. Jamaica walk by. Yeah, man. See there? Lovely. Big up to RADA, you know what I mean? All right, we just a spin out. I don't know what but I try my best to showcase, especially the locals, them were just a forward in and a showcase. And good afternoon, good afternoon. We have, is it Curly's?
No, it's Carly's.
Carly's. Say it again?
Carly's.
So, who is the spokesperson? That's what, I'm not feature, you're right. Me I go right round. Which part you did there?
Right there, somebody there.
Yeah, man, me talk to the lady. Me never see her when they did there, man.
Natural skincare.
Oh, we asked her. Me think it was one business.
I have come and make you help me to show the things them.
Jesus, me like your motivation. That is how you do it. Oh, you mean a fear product, you have to stand by it. You understand? Tell me talk to my friend here, you can take the talker phone.
You can take a sample or a sample in night.
Jesus, please, don't set me up because we don't want to eat them up. So,
I same thing there,
all right, so tell me a little bit as to what you have here.
Alright, so we have Carly's Nuts, a real Jamaican fruit cake mix. Only thing you're adding is 3 eggs, 6 ounces butter, which is equivalent to 1.5 stick. It makes it 35 minutes. You get a 9-inch cake, that's like a 2-pound cake. It comes in 2 varieties. Pureed, so it's a smooth blend. This one has bits and pieces of fruits in it, so that one is the chocolate.
Wow.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Delicious.
As easy as that?
Easy as that.
Oh my word.
Source ingredients, easy to make. So if you like convenience, support Carly's Nuts.
So other than at Denbigh, where can we find it?
Okay, so I'm currently on Amazon, I'm on Carib Shoppers, I'm in Montego Bay at the Grand Depot. I'm in the 2 airports, at Reggae Vibes at Sangsas International Airport, Things Jamaican, Norman Manley International Airport.
Wonderful.
And also ship.
Also
my
ship.
Website.
Nice.
I'm at L&M.
Let me show the card.
I hope I don't leave out any. Oh, and
this
I'm
is
in
it.
Ocheria's, the duty-free store, Purple Bee and Andes, all the Andes location.
Nice.
Right.
Art, I love, man, and respect. Continue doing the great work. As I hear massive with this, all you're going to need is 3 eggs.
6 ounces butter,
All right.
equivalent to 1.5 stick butter. Mix it, bake it, done in 35 minutes.
Hey, good that.
Some people like more rum, when it's done baking, you just brush it with a little bit more
Which
rum.
one of them have any rum? You have no more with the rum?
No, man.
You know, more sample one and see more. None of them, I sample them, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Lord God, people have visited, man.
Jesus. Rum in there already, but some people like
More.
rum. So
That
when
is
it's
it.
done bake, you just brush it.
Based on all them like it, right?
Yes, but
Figure
not too
that.
much because you're going to get too soggy.
Yeah, man, the whole of we in our house, not just. So I like it too, you know, I like it when it's soft and massive. I'm trying to.
Let me help you.
All right then. So she's gonna let me taste a sample of this because, you know what I mean, when I like just talk about the product, then you can taste it, you must taste it and make sure say you see what me I talk about. So let me turn the camera now. So no one can see me like how me have video everybody else. So we're going to sample it. Jesus Christ. Okay.
So you want one more sample?
Yes. Thank you very much. But listen now. Listen. The right texture, the right flavor. You can taste a little rum in there. You can taste some all of the fruit, flavors and spices and herbs and things. What? You're the one who come up with this concept and thing?
Right.
Oh my.
I actually did it in honor of my mom. That is why it named Artisan. Mommy passed away in 2019. And the daughter, my mom, we always being together. So when she passed away, I decided to do something in honor of her.
Oh my word, this is
a story, a little story at the back.
At the back of it.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. Thank you so much for talking to me. I would have, but me not overdo it. But me don't want to overdo it, man. All right, thank you very much. I'm gonna drop in on my bag. That one for my spouse. All right, art, love and respect here. Big up, man. See the man, definitely a brand I can say yes, well done. Taste beautiful. Lord Jesus, it set me up. You remember now what they pan? Kum. And look on that one. Cheese and peace, man. Art of love here. That is it, man. Oh my word. So massive with there. What a vibe, what a energy. Massive is like I'm gonna be much longer than I expected. Cannabis over here, so you know what I mean. What should they know? See her here. Hold on on this. Are you play the boombox though? Oh, Cannabis a beat it. I'm gonna open the copyright. Cannabis, open the copyright now, catch it. All right. Oh, she. All right. So tell me a little bit of what is going on here with you.
Hi, from Earth that is body care. So we are into natural skincare, and when we talk about natural skincare, we're talking about no fragrances, no fillets, just clean, healthy ingredients that nourishes your body and moisturizes our body. So we have the certain stage, we have the lip balm, which means we have the body butter, we have the cupcake soap made in pastry farm. So those are nice skin treats with colloidal oatmeal for sensitive skin. Those are left unscented, and the podium acid soap for those who are fighting dark spots.
Wow.
And we have the citrus therapeutic body scrub.
Yeah, man. You want to rub look up on me? Oh, no, man, you can do it, man. You can look up it for me, Anna. Cheese and peas.
Just take a look at the texture and the natural ingredients. And the source is a purifier, and it protects the skin, and it's great for dark spots also.
Oh, I think I test that one, but no, it look like a one yourself. Oh.
So they want your sell.
Okay, all right then. We now go around there. All right, blessings and love, man. Which of them can find you?
You can find me on TikTok and Instagram. Don't have a storefront as yet, but time to come, you will come in my big store, come shopping.
Easy. Massive, me just like and vibe. I love our energy, and you're going to go far.
Yeah,
believe me.
you.
Blessings and respect, man. No joke, no doubt. So let me show you now. This is her card. You know what I mean? Can't miss. There's a number on there too as well. 876-540. That's 1179. I'm gonna keep this, all right, so I can put it in. All right, no joke, no doubt. All right, blessings and respect, man. Keep on the journey here. Jamaica walk by. Yeah, YouTube. This video will be out tonight. All right. So, yeah, massive. It's a great energy here at Denbigh. As you can see, me I try to move fast in about the people them there, so and the product them nice, so we have to showcase what is going on. You understand? Yes, massive. So let's move through. All right. So the crowd is right upon us now. As you can see, way down there. Crowd, whole heap of people. Big up and respect. Oh, my teacher. Yo. I big up yourself, my boss. Everything good. You're there. I love my brother. Yeah. Big up my teacher. Yeah, massive. So we're going to this side now, you know what I mean? Another festive side, and we just move through. So we bring the show to you know, like you know, actually there. So who never get the chance to be here today, remember Saturday, and you have Sunday to be here. So I bring the show to you today. All right. This is a mist blower. Let me see if I can pass this. Alright. So I go on. Beautiful.
So one of our mandates is to expand irrigation system and manage the operating one. all I'm saying is that with the advent of us expanding, we have a solution.
This is National Fisheries Authority. Martin. This is what it looks like.
No problem, but no sin is not doing well.
That is it. It's a good look. Let me just look in this side. What she's saying? We can't come inside, right? Is that what she's saying? The lady stopped me, so I can't go in there or something. So. Alright, the lady stopped me, so I'm not sure what is going on, so I'm not bother go down the side there. Maybe later on I can circle. Yeah. So we have Field Gene Bank here. Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries and Mining. This is nice. All right. Water business, I know. Yes, Johnny, big up and respect, man. I'm not understanding the concept of the sprinklers, but whole place are wet up. Can't afford to make your cameras wet up, but yeah, this is what is going on. Nice. This is another side. I'm gonna attack this stretch of road from the other end. So just wanted to show you what is happening right here. So we'll go this side. Let me see what is inside here. Okay. Nice. How would that? You good? That is it, man. Me there, man. Me I show people them what I go on. Man. Honey. So massive is like say, on a day with me. Blessings. Blessings, respect, good day, good day. I don't know. That's how I go on. Alright, so we are leave from that area. See if we can go up on the other side. But you're good? That is it. Alright, so let's go to the other side. So it probably be some cool off sprinklers. So alright, this is the center now. It's a massive event. Alright, so them do a little changes. So this side used to be like the real green area. Them actually set this one different now. Working. Tools on top of tools. Wow. Wow. Loads of tools. Yeah. And that's the famous chicken right there. Yeah, man, I am. So big up to everybody who's actually watching the video right now. We just walk through. It's Denbigh. Agricultural Show 2025, and this is a 3-day event. Today is actually the first day. Just letting you know if you just start watch the video. Jamaica is beautiful, Jamaica is nice. Wow. This is a business right here too as well. Selling loads of stuff. Nice. Even holidays there, Excelsior there. Man. Alright. So we are doing it in some art. I'm just showing you the circle here, and then we're gonna go on the other side. Yeah, man. Alright, who we have here? So yeah, massive Bauxite Community Development Program. I wonder if we can talk to somebody from here. You can see so a nice stadium over here so too as well. Alright, let's take a look. Nice. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Alright, what's your step though? What's your step?
Alright, here you go. Good afternoon, blessings and respect. So we'll be talking to this beautiful lady here. Let's find out on what is going on by the Jamaica Bauxite Institute. So my name is Fabian, I'm here from Jamaica Walk By. Just tell us what is going on here.
Alright, Fabian, pleasure to meet you. Hello viewers. So I'm Khadija, PR manager here at the Jamaica Bauxite Institute. And people say, Bauxite? What Bauxite are doing at Denbigh? But why not? So if you look right here, so now, Bauxite and agriculture, people say how they go together, what they actually do. So yes, in mining, yes, you have to disturb the land, yes, you have to, it's extractive, yes, you have to move it. But look at all the work that we are doing in the agricultural space. The Jamaica Bauxite Institute is all about rehabilitation, restoration, and putting mined out lands into agricultural use. If you see over here, we have our plant nursery. And through our Bauxite Community Development Program since 1996, and our day, and because them said them now do nothing, from 1996 we've invested over $229 million in infrastructure, agriculture, farming. We're doing greenhouse and mined out lands. We're doing citrus revitalization program. We're offering scholarships. We're doing so much and more. Come by the JPI booth and I'll tell you the rest.
Wow. So they have a whole Instagram page for...
Yes, ma'am. So yes, ma'am. All right. So you can follow us at Jamaica Bauxite Institute on Instagram. You can go on our website at www.jbi.org.jm. Or if you don't want to do none of that, you can call us at 876-920-2070.
Wow. How long have you been working with the company?
3 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
I'm telling you, you're talking as if you've been there from about 25 years.
Well, I said the amount of work we do, that is how I feel.
Cheese and peas. So you keep on doing this, everything just flow through your brain, you remember everything and you just flow. You seem like you're the official spokesperson for the institution.
In a sense, I am. As the PR manager, I have to make sure that people know.
You're the PR manager?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I see where it all comes down.
So you
That
get
is
the
it,
right
man. Yes,
today.
man.
Yes,
Good.
man.
Thank you so much, man, for this information. You know what I mean? And I'm guaranteeing you, persons, if you're coming down here, you want to know more, today's the first day. You're going to be here tomorrow?
Today, tomorrow, Monday, we're going to be here. And if you don't find us here, come to Hope Gardens at the Hope Gardens complex. And you can come and ask Shop or Plant Nursery and ask us anything.
Wonderful.
Transparent.
That is it. Thank you so much for your pleasant spokespersonship, if that is a word. I don't know, but yeah, you understand me and them know. You understand? Yeah. Yes. Beautiful people always come with beautiful surprises, you know, because from me see your face, I know me don't come over here, you know.
I appreciate you.
Yes, man, that is it. Wonderful job you're doing, and keep up the good work. Keep on doing when it comes, I think you mentioned about scholarship. Because you know we kids are the future. Even though the Bauxite them say disturb the land, but trust me, the initiative has to bring it back to it. Because when people say Bauxite, there are a lot of stuff that we use the Bauxite mining to do. Tell them a little bit of what. Because sometimes they don't understand, you know, then they say, oh, yeah, much of it. But they're the same person using all these things daily. All right.
So thank you for bringing that up. Bauxite is part of our everyday lives, whether or not you realize it. If you have a phone, a tablet, if you ever drive in a car, if you have a stove, if you ever eat Christmas cake out of the aluminum pan, you have the bauxite industry to thank for that. So the raw material is the bauxite, which we have to disturb the land to get to it, but then it is refined and alumina into aluminum. And here we are living our lives much more comfortably because of it. And in so doing to the JBI, we ensure that we balance our environmental responsibility with, of course, the actual business of the industry.
Wonderfully said, man. Thank you so much for saying that. And even though a lot of them will still have things to say, but you're going to be here to clarify all the questions that persons want to ask. If you're bold enough to come and ask, come and ask. What's your name again?
I'm Khadija.
Miss Khadija, you can always just forward to the agriculture and mind out land booth. Right here, you see the big
banner about Jamaica Bauxite Institute. Ask for us. We're here, we're close to the Ministry of Agriculture. Come and ask us anything, whatever you want. We welcome you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Blessings.
Appreciate
Jamaica Walk By, all right?
Jamaica. You're on YouTube.
Yeah, man, Jamaica Walk By. So I'm going to try and post this one tonight.
My God, you can have a story. You have an Instagram?
Yo, yes, definitely. Same name, Jamaica Walk By. Please send me a message.
Let me follow your
Yeah, man. If you can send me the message, that would be even greater. So I can tag everything. Yeah, no, that's why I couldn't stream either.
Yeah.
But it's Jamaica Walk By. You're not going to miss it. Jamaica Walk By .yt. Yeah, that's it.
All right. Well, I appreciate it.
When you find it, please send me a message so we don't last the page, all right?
Yeah.
Ah, I love, man. That is it.
Take care.
Nice. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That was a great spokesperson and HR personnel. Yeah, me like when they are like that. If you tell you God true. Where them out here to give information and they are giving it willingly to persons who want or need it. Alright? So massive, let us make our way on the street. You know, gonna see what go on. Boy, I not tell no lie. I didn't think it would take so long, but the place nice. I have to talk to some of my people them. So I don't think gonna mind, right? That is it. Alright. So we are giving a video there, like on a day so you can see all of the happenings. See? It's a beautiful event. Alright, so we're back on the road. Man. Boy, me I tell you, man, I go on good. Alright, so see where they're back on the main road. See? So no know each other there again. Alright, I can go through because I want to see the main road. So the main road is actually like the Boulevard. This is like the Boulevard for everything. Food, toys, snow cone. This is like the highway too, where you buy and you fall back on the main road to go out of the event or to your car or which part you go and chill, you see me? Yes, man. So that is it. You know, kids are going bad for the toys them, but good God, mommy now can give you everything. You know? So yeah, let's do this, man. You have this side too as well, lead to the massive parking lot. Yeah. Mighty. See juice on top of juice. Alright. So we're going through massive. If you're just a giant, please may I ask if you like the video. Please like the video. Please. Japanese! Don't hear me back. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Blessings, blessings. So massive. We're there in the art of what going on now. You see? That's on our Jazz Parish Pavilion, Manchester. Nice. Outside with them, boy. Who's gonna have to beg you to stay? I don't wanna be the one to change your mind. One more time, please stay. Big tune. Yeah. So I don't see the vibes and I hear the energy. One heap of music. Maybe I cut out some of the music, yeah. I'm not too sure based on how the copyright thing go. Hope none not get catch, you understand? But this is it, massive. Look good. So this is one of the entrance. I'm just going a bit down this side so I can see the place. Easy. Fire, blessings and respect. There. Yeah, man. So let's see what is at this side too as well. Alright, so I see the gate there, so I just see the entire thing. Alright. Yeah, man. So there are loads of vendors, you know what I mean? So jerk chicken here, jerk, and bunch of things. Blessings, blessings. Fire, you know, so I can't pass and go and jerk up a chicken and not catch peace side, you know. You understand? Heart of love. Cheese and peace. What is this? What you call that one?
Pit Bass, smoker.
Smoker?
Yeah.
That one named Pit Bass. Yeah. Let me see what go on in a Pit Bass. Oh, it a chum smoke like a muffler. Yeah. Almighty. Oh, you mean we say lock up in there, go and marinate?
Yeah, man, I know why.
Oh, my word. Jerk chicken, no pork?
No, pork and a jerky pork.
You're not jerk no pork?
Not today, because we go cut the locks off and they go to pork.
He said, oh, yo, but they have a night. Hold on, let me go over here, so they can. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you're trouble with them attention. First, you have the beautiful sister on the side of you. Don't say me come over here. Are your mother? You mean? But me see, there's a chicken fly far from the block. You can't see what going on. Mommy, where's your outside? Oh, my word. I see you bring the supermarket come. Almighty, man. Oh, over there, sir. So, I see, okay, so hold on to bring supermarket and restaurant and thing over here. Cheese and peas. Look on the dining area. They can better see a she do designing, not you? See it then, man. Oh, you mean? Yeah, you're a good chef then, this. I will try forward from. You give me one of them vibes you, but they say, you so, hey, you so good, you know. You travel? Where you live in foreigner, you live in Jamaica? You look like them foreigner. Hey, don't it? Talk truth. Oh, you mean? Good afternoon, Grandma. Are you okay? Ah, I love, man. Over here clean and nice. I see the icicle and the snow cones, the popcorn, all of the good stuff. I'm sure, Massive, when you see me post this video tonight, you actually see where you can father that nice lady. She come right out though. Watch eyelash. Watch ear, baby. Are you broke out she or she broke out you? Are you husband?
Yes,
are you in this? Why me tell you? Hey! Touching the man, you go on, you know. Blessings and love, man. How you mean? Yeah, so this is a big things are going over here. So whole heap of things, whole heap of nice. Big up some people, man. I wanted to take this and big up some people. Big up your nice, clean, pretty daughter. Big up. Are your mother?
Every time.
Who is she?
Big up my mother.
Are your mother?
One, right?
Oh my
and my
word.
father over there, so.
Cindy Easy, Mr. Cool Kid.
Big up Mr. Gussie. One
yeah.
in a million.
Yeah, Pit Bass.
Every time.
That is
That's
it.
the thing.
Yeah, you big up your daughter already?
Yeah, mama.
Boy, she feed her face.
Big her up, mama. Big her
Lord
up.
of mercy.
Every time.
That is it. So, this business though, is a business that you have on Instagram or you do events or what happens? Because this look very organized, like you go to parties and stuff and just sell.
No, you know, it's just like when, like every year thing, like Denbigh.
Yeah.
This is my second year now.
Second year.
And I really enjoy it.
Yeah, me say you enjoy yourself.
Yes,
And you know look like you're just here selling. You like you come out and say, oh, whoa. I love my friend. Yeah, she a foreigner? You a foreigner? Yeah, man. You mind giving yourself a shout out if them want ask me? You're too shy? What's your Instagram? You on Instagram? No Instagram? Alright, but big up yourself. Because them are going to see you so they can't say me never ask you, you will not give it out. Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Godfather, boy, not do it. Place nice. Yeah, man. So it's Jamaica walk by .yt. Shot me a message, man, so I can know say you and big up yourself and I can send you the video so mommy can get to see it. Alright? Yeah, that is it, man. I may not have none right now, but me tell her Jamaica walk by. Yeah, this is gonna be on YouTube, but my Instagram I can send a link to you on Instagram. Alright? Yes, man, because I don't cut me just a record with all natural. So the most sister just saw your tan. Yeah, man, I just saw your tan. I love, man. Don't take it easy here. Cool. Yeah, man. Oh, my word. What a vibe. What a nice lady. You know what I mean? Beautiful personality, great vibe, great energy. And it's all I'm in here at the Denbigh Showground. You know what I mean? No joke, no doubt, man. I swear. So massive, it's Friday, and I still have Saturday forward, and I still have Sunday forward if you don't get to make it at this one. Or if you just want to see back yourself, you watch the video again. You see me? It's a beautiful event. Trust me. Food, everything galore. Remember me tell you, man, I swear. Look good. Fresh coconut. Big up and respect the smoothie boss over here, so that's a code. Alright, I'm Martin, look good. Alright, so massive, we're gonna go this direction and go to the kids' village too as well, so you can see exactly what I'm going. You see? Blow, wow. Yeah, that's a hit, man. Look good, man. Food like wow.
This a hit, man.
Food like wow.
This a hit, food boy. This a hit.
Yeah, big up somebody, man.
I see a Sunfest one night.
Ah, figure that, man.
The original German Freddy's Caledonian.
Yeah.
Man, we've been doing this for years. From in the 80s.
That is, I'm still there.
I'm still here.
Yeah,
because God we are the
Hey, so right now, the way things look, you know, if you do it for so long, you know, by a quint, you know, them will eat all the jerk pan, you know. Because if somebody run a car and scrape it up.
Early evening now and we almost finished.
Jeez and peace. So you're there tomorrow again?
Yeah, man.
On Sunday?
Sunday, same way, you know.
That's a code now, man. Why?
Original, man. Original
Chicken smell good still, little boy. Lord Jesus.
That's how we do it, man.
Outside. Ready?
That is it.
Big up our, however, man, it's Indian.
Yeah, man.
Blow, Indian. Yo, I first Arnold me see from Deaya. Indian Afiam. Oh, you see me down at Sunfest. Cheese and peace, man.
I love how you go and still. Me like how you move.
Hey, man, me case I run for Yasa now, because Yasa gonna make me stop my video. Because me can't, cheese and peace, man. Who is this? The beautiful Jamaica in 10. Oh, gosh, you not have fun?
Not really.
Why not? Oh, my word. Where's the more that? All right, then we go sample it now, man. Yes, I. Any piece, me like a bony party, anything go. We go sample a bad boss chicken right or so. You understand? Oh, you mean? So, it's all about Jamaica massive, Denbigh and things. Yeah, man, I deal with it. What's your man? Yeah, man. I go see what I'm going off my hand. Right. Blows and skirt. It's a vibe, it's an energy massive. Blows and skirt.
We know I work, you work.
Oh, you mean, man? Yes. Because see my daughter and my spouse over there, so, you know.
Alright.
So, we are go through.
Alright.
Freddy's. Remember, no circle Freddy's.
Original, man.
And I write I say I go there all weekend. They can't miss you.
Jamaica land we love. Every time, Jamaica land we love.
Mad.
We only got foreign just for the opportunity, but yes, we love.
Yes, we love. I eat this cheese. Just, all right. Put the pepper on it. Just the ketchup. Sweet food no need pepper more while in man.
I want
my daughter to taste it, man.
Why you tell the world about it?
Oh gosh, no man.
So them can't know.
Lord have mercy. Hold on, them, man. Make we show now we are did it. Right, that's a look good, man.
Say we still have good jerk, good jerk, man. Some people feel like say good jerk, man. But we still have good jerk, man. It's in a Culinary now. I've been doing this for...
Them jerk can make us sing.
Alright?
Go walla. Go walla. You have to catch him bone by your side of your mouth like I slip.
Yeah, man. Boy, me I watch you out there when you know I'm up here. I'm say, boy, yeah.
Night Peter vibe.
Yeah, go on. Yeah, go on with that thing, you know. So I see I know in a Clarendon, I have to really make a sample when I deal with.
See that sample, man, all the love.
I want love every time, man.
Martin, Mr. Freddy.
As a matter of fact,
you know me, I come back on. You know me, I forward come. You know, say me a forward come buy more for you.
Alright.
That is good, man. Because see that you start off the ball, elbow.
That is it.
Bigger that.
That is it.
Ready? Outside. What are we coming there? Hold on, pan this there. Let's say. Pull this up, hold this up, hold on. So we're there with Kawiwa. Look at this. What are you? Huh? Yes, it was. Here's the ball coming out. How much him? Work, drop work, wall. We're up on. We are up on, man. May I tell you that? Watch out, man. Woo! Hold on. Master water. Bone. Let's say, one Jamaica in 10. You good? Enjoy yourself, man. Nice. You say sweet. Kylie, having fun? Yeah. Good job. No matter if you don't know where to take on the road, where to take on the road. So here massive at the food area this man, me I tell you. Yo. Man over there, some man I tell you, man, jerk chicken, bad Robbie the jerk chicken. Shut. I swear. No joke, no doubt. It's all about the food section. And it's a vibe, it's an energy. Whole heap of jerk chicken. You can't done them. Jerk chicken, jerk pork, juice. Everything up on the stretch. So now you know which part to forward. Oh, you mean anytime when you're ready, man, because you don't know. You have to make sure the thing is sell, you understand? Yeah. So when you say right, so now there all weekend? All weekend. All right, see that 30. What's my name?
Yeah, man, a Son there, so live, you know?
Son.
Yeah, man.
Blow, what you say? Easy now, man. Where's your ends, sir?
Yeah, man, I feel it.
Are you a chum smoke like a muffler?
Like a muffler, man.
Cheese and peace, man.
Fruit and festival and, you know, good old jerk chicken.
Figure that.
True authentic, a Boston style, man.
Boston style, man. Cheese and peace. Are you take it down a Clarendon?
Down a Clarendon.
Oh, you mean, the general there for your duck out in and white?
Originally, man. I bring forth all the man, them, man.
Yeah, man.
And me, Jerry, the best.
See, are you do so over here, so too?
Yeah, me this.
Blouse and skirt, man. Roast bread fruit, festival, man. More chump and fire. Ready done over here, sir, ready. Nice. When I go on, I hope everybody sell off. You understand? Yeah. I hope all out to sell off whole week.
Yes, man.
Eat a food, man. The hustle is real. That is it, man. The space there you feel all away. The whole of people where come, trust me. Everybody I get a taste. Heart, I love me, G.
I mean, they call it one dan, you know. One dan.
One dan. No other dan.
One dan in a Clarendon.
Yeah, man.
And only chicken dan. Only chicken dan.
See there, this star said that.
I see that too.
Where's you take them, girl?
I mean this, you know.
Are you that?
I mean this, man.
Yeah, man. I chicken a dry any woman there with. Big up and respect, man. Don't go and do it, you know. One dan. Heart, I love hear that. Denbigh Showground 2025 is a vibe. Bigger and better. You understand? Oh, yeah, film side this. No joke, no doubt. Juice, everything about them side. The food there for everyone now, man. No joke. Look all there, some man blouse and skirt. Man there with them pimento leaf and they put them. Kuya, this is one crowd. Blouse and skirt, whirl and jerk. Watch your pimento with them and thing in them, man. Look good, God. Yes, man. Figure that. Yeah, my teacher, you look good over here, sir. Big up and respect, man. Me do it, man. I have to.
Yeah, man.
Real pimento with the day I go and jerk. What the man name?
Slaughter, they call it.
Slaughter.
Man is jerk up man in the island.
Boy, me see say you go on, man. The man said the maddest in the island.
Maddest in the island.
Me like how you stand up with the word.
No competition.
Cheese and bit.
No competition.
So you know say me soon circle you. Because I see what go on. Alright then.
Show me the way you can taste the boy alright.
Jesus Christ, man. Big up and respect, you know. Go on, the where is your name again?
Slaughter.
Slaughter.
Man is jerk up man in the island.
In the island. And the man stand up firm and say that brawling. Big up my teacher, man. Look on the thing them.
I'm a pimento one, I'm a sweet one, I'm a pepper rice. Some of them, I don't think I'm using jerk up.
Cheese.
Natural season.
Natural season.
Powder season, and bush me use and season.
Natural.
Yeah, them things I come from my food parents.
Figure that. Where the man forward from?
Yeah, no, I say Manchester, my man.
Manchester?
Yeah. Somebody but me come and climb down on my youth.
Yeah, youth. See, one nice lady, I look at you while your service, a hangly bangle. Mad. We're there massive. The vibe, the energy down here are normal. 2025, Denbigh. Massive, we can't. Who that? Massive, we can't talk to everybody, but we are talking to who we can. What go on, my teacher? You're down here again.
Yeah, man,
outside, my teacher.
Cheng, you know, we say Cheng, we say Clarendon. Yo, Denbigh active, done?
That is it.
Active place, man, yeah, man. Check it out, Denbigh. A whole spot. Check out here. The man say popcorn machine. There, that's what we're on. That's what we're on. Check out that. The man say
juice, popcorn.
Yeah.
We say bread, roast breadfruit.
Corn.
Corn soup or just corn?
Corn.
Mad. And we have over here say, you know. Corn a boil. Pretty. Show blouse and skirt.
I don't know about
Big up my teacher. Wall ends outside. Oh, you mean? So massive you get it for wash it down right so you can't go wrong. Popcorn, corn, roast breadfruit. Big up again in my teacher. Heart I love and go and do it. You hear that?
Outside, you know. The man say TikTok. J10 outside, man. Yeah, man, with the best blogger.
Big up, bro, bro. That is it. Cool, you know. Low, look good. Denbigh, load. Lead, the right jerk. Look good over here, so man. Denbigh in a high gear. Very, very high gear this year. Look there. Oh my word. High gear for Denbigh this year. Jaja no. Look out. High gear. Denbigh. Look at so. Blouse and skirt. Look at so. Whoa, look at so. Jaja no. I have a jerk. Arnold then you start again. Boy. Food on top of food. Boy. Food on top of food. Jerk as over here again. Food. Boy. Smoke a chunk like a muffler. Whoa. Watch a man. Hey! Respect the teacher. Mad thing, man. Blessing, respect. Jamaica walk by. We are showing them 100 walk going out there, you understand? So people them can see Saturday and Sunday still left. You understand? Blessings and respect, man. No joke, no doubt. Massive, the place loud, the place shot. No joke, no doubt. Make a move through. Oh my word. Look good. Everything that you even stuff for the kids. Almighty. We go through. Look here, man. Which side this I know? Why massive I tell us I don't want to do it so long, but I tell us the vibe and the energy They have to show, so we have to show it, not true? We have to show it, man. Good God. People, they want to see it. This year, totally different. I'm not lie. Up and running. The spirit nice. Yeah. Tons of people. Blessings and respect. Me teach a big man over there, so. I am same one, man. Yeah. Big up, Aaron. Good evening, good evening. The spirit nice of them be this year, boy. Love it. Love it. To me, this is like one of the best them we have so far. You know what I mean? Health and wellness. You can also do your wellness and things. Yeah, the man
find out your cholesterol level, you know.
Nice, nice.
I'll find out your status.
True, true.
Come know your number.
You hear that? Look good. Let's walk through, let's walk through, let's walk through. Oh my word. What a nice vibe, what a nice energy. Yeah, man. So, we'll go towards the farm side now. We'll go towards the farm side. I must have, I didn't want it to be this long, but man, a vibe and an energy like this, we have to. Look at this side. So far the kiddies era was around here the last time. It's a massive event, bro. Yeah. The Coconut Industry Board. Oh yeah, make you see what I go on. Products when it comes down to coconut products. Jaja no. Look good. Plant pathology. There's so much things going on. Look good. Coconut shop, vineyard town, premium blends. I can't bother with the copyright them, enough music, so we just show what go on and run out. So on this side you're gonna find all the coconut products them that you can think about. Them have cake, them have drink, them have coconut water, they have grater cake. There's so much stuff by the coconut side. And we're moving on. We're moving on. Look good. You're there everywhere. But they have bad manners, bro. Yeah, man. Alright, so see the kiddies here this year. We showcase everything. Alright, so we are past the restroom now. So this is all about the kids then I know.
Closer water, closer water.
Kids them have trampoline, them have basketball hoop and thing. Tons of toys I say. Nice. Kids them have everything here showcasing. Yo, go hard, grandma, you see yo? Grandma said we have to pay for do what? Watch out. You got. What you call this again? It's not Ferris to you. What you call that one again, man? Yeah. That. So, loads of little things for the kids. As well as you have trampoline, bunch of things there. You're screaming, that means it's nice. Denbigh. So make sure, massive, if you're here in the area you want to see what go on, definitely you have time. You can forward Denbigh Showground 2025. It's a fun event. If you're just watching this on the Friday or the Friday night, you still have Saturday and Sunday to come down by the Denbigh Showground to see the happening. See? Food galore. It's a massive event, massive. I wish we could have talked to everybody, but I can't, and enough people, so I just walk through, you know. Sorry, down here so was a pet store where the G did I talk about. Yeah. Ties, man, top of ties. So you can bring your kids, everybody. See parrot again. This is the pet store when I talk about. See parrot. Birds, they have turk. Good evening, blessed, blessed. So, yeah. Man. My boy, them before that, I see them with the snake and the bird, they only tell me which are the ends there. But them not reach back it. Yeah. So this is the only of its kind down by Denbigh, the only pet store so far I see through the whole event. So definitely you know where you can afford and get all of your pets them. You understand? Over by the kiddies here, them the right in the little corner this and thing. You see me? Yeah man. Let's move on. So we just reached the farm section now. So we'll go towards the farm section. Alright. So anybody want to see animal them a phone time now when I can see cat section and all them things. So this is a big event. So we are going like on the Deaya. I walk with me, see? Look good. Blouse and skirt. A big cow, man. Wonder how much you think for a cow like this? Jaja, no. The rest of the meal. Blessings, blessings. Wow. And then breeder. Nice. Whoa. Come on. This is a massive cow, you know, man. We are big. Yeah, my teacher them big up, you know. Them cow, man. Cha-cha. Come on. Beef. Oi. Look good. So that's how I walk through, massive. Now when every camera show them justice, like how them show me. Some massive cow them here, man. Cha-cha. Manners. Alright. Another side now. Oh yeah. Ultra mix. Jaja no. You see what going over here, so. The ultra mix breed them. Let's go. Them have goat. What you want goat, man? Jaja. Them have goat, a different kind of breed of goat and shit, you know. Blessed. Jaja no. You're not going to see them a goat a regular so. Probably some $300,000 goat. Them all one, you know. 300,000, 400,000 meat. What am I going there? Man. Yeah, Vanessa. Yeah, massive. We just move through quick and fast. We're up on the final stretch them, is it? Final stretch them. Alright, so let's do a nice small synopsis and then go there. Loads of goat. Yeah, big up to everybody who's still watching the video. Heart of love, much love and respect. You're still watching right now. Super appreciate it. Take a run. This is a beautiful family event for you forward and show your family some goat and all of them things. I tell you. Nice family event. These are some of the goat them. Some of the goat them now have them trophy upon them pen. Man. Alright. So yeah, man, say we are wrap up. Rockstone them a goat out. No, you about goat. Cow. Now walk too near now I can't take a kick. Low, watch out man. Scratch. Manners. Lows and skirt. Massive. Come on. Now walk too near and I can't take a kick. Denbigh Showground massive. Bring the kids. Kids can know all of the animals them and see them up close and personal. You see me? Yeah man. Beautiful event. Alright, so going back out on the outskirt again. There's another massive era we're going to pass through. That's supposed to be the last little segment as we stroll through. Denbigh 2025. Bring it on a straight like on a Deaya. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Alright, so we're back on the main again when we call the Boulevard. Oh yeah. Pretty like. Massive, let's do this. Let's do this.
So check out the sample era people, it's a go with a rock us the cockers.
Massive, let's set the vibe. Let's set the vibe. wine as well now. Clarendon blend. Be a jerk chicken and taking them on. Man, that's a good. So, all right. So this is the last stretch. And this is another main boulevard. Understand? Check this side. So them call here some Murray Drive. See all like people them are going to right or so. Yes, man. And I could just walk through. Caribbean chemicals over here. You have agro over here, so pesticide control authority here. Who else over there, so? Company Office of Jamaica. You have who is here? Cowan's Plaza, Old Darba. Yeah. Look like you have smoothie, hot dog. All of them good stuff. They have products of Jamaica, Cals. You understand? Look like them are the snow cone, icicle and stuff like that. Sky Juice. You have Omin Industry Limited over here too as well. You understand? Who may pass? Delta Supply Limited on the left. Over there, so. Then be active, may I tell you now, active. Nice vibe. And that's a center for the show later on, but I don't think the show is gonna be tonight, it's gonna be Sunday night. I understand, yeah. But that's the circle around there. And you have the iPro. iPro always lively. Every year there's a chain, so look like them not open to the public. There's a chain right there, so lock off there. So go top up over there, so I understand. Go top up. There are a launch. So, who is this? Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce over there. So, Jamaica Post. You know what I mean? Who is this? Smart Flair. Smart Flair is here. BSJ, Bureau of Standard Jamaica. The right that's too as well. Yeah. I have not much things on that side more than the parking lot and the entrance to go to the circle. You understand? And there, this is the exit. So massive, yeah man. It's a great vibe. Agri Depot on my right over here too as well. Yeah, what we have here now? Tires, batteries, lubricants. Man, great vibe today at Denbigh. You see me I say? Yeah, massive, no joke, no doubt, man. So let's make our way back on the other side. Massive, and close the video. Still just do a little walkthrough, go on the other side. It's a nice vibe. So I want to see how the place set up. Sure, say, if I still watch the video, that means I don't love the vibe, you see me? I'm not sure if I have to go mute out any of these songs and all of them little things there. But forgive me, I know the copyright thing going, the people them want to get paid for their music. So we just walk through, you see what I'm saying? No, let's do it. Let's go. That's a code, massive, that's a code. So I go on. I have another pet store. Oh, here's another pet store on this side. But there's so much music I can't even talk. I just showcase a little bit. I'm going to go through. Like all this black cock, parrot, all of them something. Boy, I wonder what this are saying. Alright, we are going through. Let's move. I am College of Agriculture, Science and yeah. Crazy vibe, I'm telling you. So, big up to all massive who watch the video, man. I tell you, the vibe is nice. This is the first day of Denbigh 2025. Open to enjoy the whole walkthrough. Big up to everybody in the premiere section. Yeah, know what I mean? Big up to all of the massive them. And let me see. Let me find my phone. I have a big up list here that I want to big up some person. You see me I say? If you don't hear your name, you are no least special. You understand? But I made this list because this person always up on the channel as support. You see me I say? So let me do it like this and big up them people here right now before we close. So you don't know, first one big up Kez. Kez, big up and respect, no joke, no doubt. Some guy from Toronto, Mark, blessings and respect. Big up to Miss Kadeen Sterling. You don't know, father and son. Miss Charmaine, blessings and respect. Alan Bailey, you know what I mean, always there. You have Nick Unstoppable. Big up to Miss Diane. Big up to I Love It. You don't know I Love It. Candles, so you don't know the thing when it comes down to that. I Love It. Them are my general. Nature Adventure, JA, blessings and respect. Also, I want to big up to the Dan Q from Kenya. Big up Dan Q from Kenya, you see it? Scott, 876, blessings and respect, you see me? Dada 77, big up and respect, no joke, no doubt, you see me? Miss Spencer, 38, Art of Love, every single time, you see me I say? Deaya! Also, big up to Auntie Marcia. Auntie Marcia, blessings and respect. Super appreciate you. Always there for all of the video them. You know what I mean? Denbigh, you don't know, Barbados travel vlogs. Big up and respect my teacher. And no, we not done say, but you don't know J. Smith, big up and respect, Art of Love. If you don't hear your name, just send me a message and say, yo, make sure somebody give you a shout out, you know what I mean? Blessings and respect, you see it? Blessings to everybody who watch the video. All of my subscribers, them with 245,000 strong. So, blessings and respect, and I super duper appreciate every single one of you, see it? Mad respect. We're signing out right here, Jamaica Walk. Bye, mad thing.